The science behind animal migration. Animal migration is a fascinating phenomenon observed across various species, involving seasonal movements over long distances. Here's an overview of the science behind animal migration. Definition and types. Migration refers to the regular, long-distance movement of animals from one location to another and back. There are various types of migration. Seasonal migration. Animals move between breeding and non-breeding areas in response to seasonal changes. Altitudinal migration. Movement between different elevations, typically in mountainous regions. Nomadic migration. Irregular movements in search of food or favorable conditions. Long-distance migration. Extensive journeys covering thousands of kilometers. Adaptations. Migration is an adaptive behavior that enhances survival and reproductive success. Animals migrate to access abundant food resources, avoid harsh environmental conditions, such as winter cold or drought, escape predators, or find suitable breeding grounds. Navigation. Animals use various cues and strategies for navigation during migration. Celestial cues, using the sun, moon, and stars for orientation. Geomagnetic field, sensing Earth's magnetic field to maintain direction. Landmarks and visual cues, recognizing landmarks, coastlines, rivers, and mountains. Olfactory and chemical signals, following scent trails or pheromones to locate breeding or feeding grounds. Physiological changes. Migration triggers physiological changes in animals to support long-distance travel. Energy reserves. Animals build up fat reserves to sustain energy during migration. Muscle efficiency. Enhanced muscle efficiency for sustained flight, birds, or swimming, fish. Metabolic adjustments. Adjustments in metabolism and hormone levels to conserve energy. Migration routes. Animals follow established migration routes passed down through generations, often along flyways, for birds, migration corridors, for terrestrial mammals, or marine migration routes, for marine species. Migration ecology. Migration influences ecosystems by transporting nutrients, seeds, and pathogens across regions, affecting biodiversity and ecosystem dynamics. Animals play critical roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and prey within their habitats. Conservation challenges. Human activities, such as habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and barriers, like dams and urbanization, threaten migration routes and disrupt animal movements. Conservation efforts aim to protect critical habitats and migration corridors to ensure species survival. Research and monitoring. Scientists study animal migration using tracking technologies, satellite telemetry, GPS tags, and citizen science initiatives to gather data on migration patterns, behavior, and habitat use. Understanding migration patterns informs conservation strategies and management practices. Animal migration showcases the remarkable adaptability and survival strategies of species across diverse ecosystems. Studying the science behind migration enhances our understanding of animal behavior, ecological interactions, and the conservation of biodiversity in a rapidly changing world.